Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be reacting to supercar failures. So let's get to this. This is the first reaction video, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Alright. Here we go. Sorry, I don't speak Caucasian. Whoa! 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 Oh, did you see that? Whoa! Hold on, let's raise up the volume. Okay, that's the intro. No, he's gonna fail for it. Is it Dodge Viper? That's cool. Oh, the Murcielago's right there. Murcielago just went down there. Oh my god. Watch carefully. I'm gonna zoom in for you. And look how it goes. Wait. Look at it. It just fell down there. Oh my god. Dude, that's super dangerous. I don't read Caucasian. What is this? A Lamborghini? Oh, it's an Aventador. Oh my god. Whoa. A green Lambo, man. Dude, whoa. Dude, what the heck? Bro. Oh, I know this one. I remember this one. Oh my god. I feel bad for that Lambo. No, there's a Lamborghini. Oh, he almost fell off there. What kind of idiot? What kind of idiot would drive on a dangerous mountain like that, going really wiggly like that on a mountain? On a mountain with a Lambo. That's really expensive. Alright, continuing on. Gallardo, not a Gallardo. And ooh, what car is that? Another Gallardo. Lamborghini Gallardo. Bro, dude. Oh no, his car's gonna be on fire, right? Nope. His car's not on fire, but what happened? I don't know. Hold on, we gotta look at that again. What happened? I didn't see. What? Wait, what? Hold on. Let's be on there for a second. I don't know what just happened there.
Officers are searching the trailer of an American gun enthusiast who's traveling to Alaska with his parents and a pack of dogs.
Oh. Rest in peace, go. Oh, it fell in the ocean. Dude, that's so terrible. How long is this video? 2, okay. Oh, who's gonna win? Huracan wins, of course. And that's what you get for racing a Challenger Hellcat. You don't want to challenge that Challenger. Yeah, don't. He just drifting on the grass. Okay, I think that was super embarrassing. No, not a Lamborghini Diablo. What's that? Countach or Diablo? That's Diablo. Oh my gosh. That is super dangerous. He's so lucky he didn't crash into that thing. What car is this in right now? Oh! It's a Lamborghini. Oh! Ooh, that's so bad. Oh, whoa! Whoa, are you kidding me, man? Look at the damage on that car. Bro, why would you speed on like something? Wait, then Dubai? Seriously. Oh, look at that Ventador. It's so pretty. And now it's gonna crash any minute now. Oh my god. Wait, will it actually? What number plate is that? London? Please do not crash. What's he doing? Bro, what are you doing? Oh no, I think he's gonna drop that inside, right? What is he doing? No. Oh, no. Bro. Bro, I have a bad feeling about this. Bro. This is gonna be terrible. It's gonna crack the car. Bro, it's already cracked. Bro, it's cracked. Bro, the window's like dead. The windshield as well. What the heck? How'd that happen?
Any currency more than $10,000. Okay. Have you ever been arrested?
This is in Vancouver, Canada.
We're looking to see if there are any
Right? No.
for various reasons like criminality, past,
Oh!
customs infractions.
Oh, there's a cop. That's a cop.
Have you ever been arrested for a criminal offense?
Oh! What's this gonna happen? What's this gonna be? Oh, oh. Ooh! They just drove right straight to that Toyota RAV4. Oh, come on! It's an Aventador. Hey, the dents are not that bad. I mean, I'll just say it's like design or something. Oh. No. This is why I don't trust pickup trucks like that. Because, you know, sometimes they just slip off and this happens. Like, for example, you ordered the new Gallardo, it's coming, and then this happens. You get sued on the job. This is what I don't trust. I don't trust pickup trucks because they can fall down like that sometimes. And look, you just ruined your brand new Gallardo. It's brand new, this Gallardo. Brand new instead. Don't speed through there.
The officers speak to the traveler's father to corroborate his story.
Got vandalized or what? Dude.
Aside from the guns in your son, do you own any guns yourself? I'm gonna assume that means you probably quite a few, eh?
Bro, what's happened? Why is everybody running? I'm gonna run too. I'm gonna run too. I'm running. What's going on? What happened?
Thank you very much, sir. Officers perform a final check of the truck and trailer before granting
Wait. He just crashed his Lambo here.
that there was no firearms, nothing that we need to be worried about. Alright, don't forget your wife. She's inside waiting for you.
Oops. If I ever owned a car like that, I would never do that. I would not rev in the middle of the street. And I would not just go like brrr everywhere. And I would not speed through the entire car crowd, just make it drift and then crash your car. I'm not gonna do that. Wait. I mean, seriously.
In Toronto, a CBSA officer is trying to decipher what a nervous Canadian returning from Jamaica is hiding. One last chance.
Oh. Another Lambo's on fire. You know, if my Lambo goes on fire sudden like that.
The ion test for cocaine is
Whoa! Dude, did you see that? That Lamborghini color just like. Oh my god. Dude, that's dangerous. Don't speed through the track like that. Oh no. That green one's gonna crash. The green one's gonna. I don't like these. Oh, this car's on fire.
They're not usually as friendly as she is when bringing it up. Get them in with this group.
Bro, there's 3 Lambos on fire. Yo, that's so dangerous. There's another Lambo there. Oh my. Whoa. Where is that? In India or is that Africa? If that's Africa, that's 100% possible. But oh, wait, that is India. Duh. Sometimes, don't you know? Sometimes in India you can actually find. Wait a minute. Oh, that's the passenger. Don't tell me you're just gonna drive like that and then you're gonna drift like this and then. Oh my god, I would never do that. Such an idiot. This Gallardo's gonna crash. This dude has his car's door open and he closed it. Oh, oh! Here goes the race. Why does it always gotta be a Lambo? Can't it be like a Ferrari or something? Can't it be like a Ferrari or something? A Camaro's not a supercar. Dude, that Lambo just crashed into a Mustang, and that Mustang just went like, oh, nothing happened to my car. Oh my gosh. Why does it gotta be a Gallardo? Oh, I remember this one. He was revving a lot and his car got on fire. You know, I would just rev a bit. Like, I would not rev as much as this guy is doing. Because
The traveler will be confined to the boat until it departs for Seattle.
If he wants to come back to
see, this is not the thing I would do right now.
Spanish in the States,
After confirming the engine was clear of contraband, officers do a final sweep.
This is why never, if you ever own a supercar like this, never rev it because it will be on fire. Dude, what the hell? People get out of the way. Why is people just running to the street? This guy like drifting around. They might get hit.
where are you going to volunteer?
At Vancouver International
Like, why do they have to chase a Lambo? It's just a Lambo. I would never chase the.
coming to work in Canada illegally.
Okay, so what do you mean?
Oh.
Turn off the farm work as long as you can. What do you mean by that? 1 year, 2
Don't
years?
tell me that roof is gonna go down.
What does that mean exactly?
Don't tell me the roof is gonna go down.
6 months.
Yeah, if I can stay 6 months.
Wait, that's a BMW i8.
لا بكره الصبح ما اريد الصبح بكره عندي كل يوم حاجه
That's not funny. What are you sitting there laughing at him? You should come help him. Well, they say the real friends, they never laugh at. They always laugh at each other. The fake friends would help them pick up. Oh my god. To be honest, the worst one I think, I don't know what's the worst one. The worst one is definitely the Lambo in Dubai that caught on fire. That's the worst one. Because what kind of idiot would be revving, rev, and then your car sets on fire? What kind of idiot does that? If I ever owned a Ferrari, Lambo, or whatever, any supercar, I'm not gonna do that. If anybody just comes knocking on my window, like, hey bro, can you do vroom vroom? And I'll be like, well, not too much, you know, little. I'm not gonna do too much because I don't want my car to be on fire. Because sometimes, on rare occasions, if you ever own an Aventador, those are fast cars. And Aventadors, if you rev too much, fire comes out, and then your car looks on fire. It's gonna be lit. Well, actually, it's not gonna. So thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe, and if you like my channel. I'll see you all next time. Peace.